Hello guys, I am a mask man. Mask man? I am a what's this? Plastic man, and I will fill this world with plastic. What the heck is this? So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I tried to use it as a mask because in today's video we would be discussing about layer mask. So layer mask is basically non-destructive way of editing in Photoshop. It is simply just like you are using eraser tool and any other tools. You can just simply mask a layer and erase a certain portion, or you can change on its opacity. So it's pretty simple, just like eraser tool, but it's non-destructive. As in eraser tool, you cannot get back your original image back, but in masking, you can get your original image back. It just work as a mask. If I remove it, I get my original face back, and if I just do it like this, so leave it. It's pathetic. So now let's move to my screen and I will show you about layer mask. So now we are here at my screen, and for this work I am using one of my poster which I designed I guess a month back. So we are using this to mask to mask a layer. So we would be masking this ball out or the other thing out. So before we mask, I think I should change background color, so you can simply change the color of the background by using paint bucket tool, and I would like to change the background to this color. So yeah, now it's okay. And yeah, so I've changed the background color, and now we would use a mask. So for masking, first either you can add you from here, from this point you can add a layer mask, and you can simply use your brush tool and you can mask. I'm increasing hardness. You can increase or decrease hardness according to yourself. And black color means you will be removing the image, and white color will be meaning you will be getting it back. So blacks will remove the image and whites will get it back. But if you want to mask it into a particular shape, so you can just go to a you can just select that particular area. For example, I have selected this area and I want to mask inside portion of this area. So I am simply going to select this and choosing the black color with the brush, and it will mask a particular area. And if you want to mask the inverse, if you want to mask the other area, outside area, you just simply go to select and choose inverse. So it will select outer stuff, and now you can simply mask it and you will get this result. So you can simply use masking and you can get it back easily by choosing white color if you have mistakenly done something wrong. So you can use white brush to bring it back. So this is all about masking, and it is very beneficial that you can easily get back the thing. For suppose, let's delete this mask and select deselect all the things. And if you are using eraser, okay, first of all you have to rasterize this layer to use eraser. And now if you are using eraser, let me increase the size. And if you have done this thing and if you want to get back, so you can't get back using eraser tool, you can't return your selection. So that's why masking is really helpful. So you should also do your Photoshop work while masking. So that's it for today's video, and if you liked my comedy, hit a like for that. And I love the comedy in the starting of the video. So, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I am regularly posting content, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description. One is my profile and one is my Instagram where I am posting regular content. So you can also follow me on Instagram, or you can join my Facebook group. Link is in the description. So that's it in the today's tutorial. So we will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, see ya guys.